Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Oh my goodness. Say hello, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways. Hi guys, welcome back. Or, yeah, anyways. So, today's the next day. Today is Wednesday, and it's already 12:52, so almost 1. And today was a different routine, and my son decided to have a poop explosion, you guys. He has not had one of these since he was like a newborn, so I was like, whoa, where did this come from? I got it on the comforter sheet because I had this blanket to the side, and I didn't know it was all over his back. So yeah, I had to clean him up, and then as I was doing that, my mom came over because we were gonna do caldo de pollo. Well, she did it just to like chit chat, have some mom and daughter time. I had to clean the sheets, his clothes, and by the time everything was done, it was already like 11. I decided to serve myself some caldo, and I've been doing laundry, and now I'm just like, I have to work out. Not that I have, well, yes, I do. I need to work out because you guys know if you don't put in the work, you're not gonna see results. So I'm debating if I should wait till Matthew takes a nap or if I should just do it right now, because his nap is usually like in the afternoon, and he'll take like an hour or 2 or sometimes 3. But I don't know, you guys. So I know I need to work out today because tomorrow's my birthday, and Alfredo's gonna make me a dinner, I think tomorrow or maybe Friday, because we're not sure yet. And I know that's kind of gonna be like my cheat meal, so you know, yeah, that's what's up. So it's my birthday today, and luckily I finished doing my hair. I was in the restroom and there was somebody outside, our friends. If not, I don't know how they were gonna deliver it, but I don't know who it's from. Oh, it's from my brother and his wife. It says, happy birthday, Vanessa, wishing you a day/year full of love and surprises. How sweet. You guys, I'm super emotional right now. Look it. It's happy birthday. Oh my goodness. I low-key thought it was Alfredo, but I was like, I don't think so. Matthew's like, I want some. Ooh, look at this. Yummy. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, that's so nice of them. Super nice of them. Thank you, Mike and Debbie, if you guys are watching. I know sometimes you guys watch my videos, but I really do appreciate it, guys. You guys are gonna make me cry. What? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ahead and... So yes. It's my birthday. And oh, I'm so happy. First little gift. What is that?
It's my breakfast.
That is not breakfast, sir.
Cookies and milk.
Oh
Cookies
my
and milk.
gosh.
I made a bagel too right now.
Wow. Matthew, what do you have to say to that? Look at, he scratched his face.
Dada, what's for breakfast? What's for breakfast?
Oh my gosh. Just because dad is home, my son's gonna eat cookies for the breakfast. Buenos dias. Let's see. Gosh. Good morning, everybody.
So they're back again?
Yeah, they've been back. So today is Friday.
Friday.
And as you guys can hear, Alfredo's here with us today because it's raining, so he doesn't work on rainy days, so he's here for today. He has a 3-day weekend, maybe, unless they call him tomorrow for work, huh?
Hopefully they don't call me.
Wow.
How's the match, remember?
Oh yeah. Mommy's gonna go to the salon. The boys are staying home. And Dada's so excited. Oh, he's so excited.
We're staying home? We're not going with you?
No, you can't go to the salon with me.
I'm gonna drive around with Matthew.
No, it's gonna take forever.
I wanna go to my parents.
No.
I wanna go pick up my check. Oh dang, we're almost leaving, huh?
We? So, yeah, I'm gonna go to the salon today. I don't know if you guys can see. So, we're gonna tone my hair a darker caramel color, I think.
Yeah, your hair that color.
Hers? Nah.
It's almost there.
No, it's not. So yeah, I'm going to the salon today, and I think I'm gonna go a little darker just because who? Oh my goodness, who gives you Oreos, Matthew, for breakfast? That man right there. And they're watching my show. No respect, you guys. I get no respect in this house. Alfredo, I told Alfredo, we're gonna eat caldo de pollo. And he's like, no, I'm gonna eat cookies.
I already have my plan.
He did not have a plan, you guys. He sees me in the kitchen and then he goes in the kitchen. So yeah. Anyway, so the plan for today is we're going to the salon. Everybody. What's that from, everybody? Is it from Simpsons?
I don't know. Is it now?
That one character.
Hi,
Oh,
everybody. I don't know. Is it?
right? There's a character.
From The Simpsons?
Oreos are very messy with this kid, sir.
They don't give
Look at. Oh my goodness.
They don't give him any.
No, don't touch it. He's gonna touch my couches. Ew.
Stop it, guys. You never do nothing in my house.
So yes, you guys, it's a rainy day. You guys can see that. I have my appointment at 2, And then I'm also going to pick up my tumbler coffee thing from my nephew. He has a Cricket. He has a little business, so I'm here to support. So I'm gonna pick that up. And then I might possibly go to Target for a couple of things. And yeah. Look at your son. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? He's like, oh, so in love with you, Oreo. I'm so in love with you, Oreo hands. Like,
oh my god, Matthew.
Oh my goodness. He's like, give me some more. Hello?
What?
Oh my gosh. So this.
Los dos traviesos.
Good morning, everybody. I'm still trying to figure out where that's from. I feel like it's from The Simpsons. I'm not sure. So today is Saturday, and I'm already out of breath. Oh my gosh. Doing the bed is a mini workout. Okay. So, it is Saturday, and I dyed my hair. I did my hair. So you guys can tell she's not as blonde anymore. I just wanted to go a little darker. I initially wanted to go like pitch, not black, but like black brown, I guess, like the color of my roots. I just wanted to go all one color. But my friend, knowing me, my friend being my friend and knowing how I am, she's like, I know you're gonna change your mind later on. Let's just put like a gloss or like a, what's the word, a toner gloss, I'm not sure, I'm not a hairstylist, like a gloss toner thing over your hair. That way if I do decide, as you guys can tell, I still have dimension of like the parts that were bleached. If I do decide to go back light, we can go ahead and do that, and it's gonna be much easier on her because I know I go back and forth, guys. I go back and forth with my hair, but I think this will be much beneficial for me right now. Yeah, and I'm really liking it. She said it was like a mushroom ash color. I feel like it's like on camera it looks more like a chocolatey brown. In person, I don't know, but it's a really nice color. So yeah, that's what I did yesterday. I treated myself. I did a little birthday present for myself. So today's Saturday. You guys, look at this cup. Look how beautiful this cup is. You guys see that? Whoa, you see that? Whoa, 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 whoa. You can't have any of this. This is mom's fuel right here. So if you guys are interested in like customized Starbucks cups or shoes, or you guys want something like a t-shirt customized, my nephew actually does them. And I highly suggest him. I'm not being biased. He actually is very talented and artistic. He has that like artist touch. He sometimes freehands, I believe. And yes. So, you know, support small businesses. I'll go ahead and link his Instagram down below. And check out his stuff, you guys. It's really good. Just saying. So yeah. So today, it's gonna be most of like a cleaning day, because the suegros are coming tomorrow. I mean, my house is not dirty, but you know when you have visitors, you're just like, I want to be a little extra clean. So they're coming tomorrow after like months. We have not seen them in months, unfortunately. And Matthew's already like walking, doing his thing. What are you doing? Play peekaboo. Ah! Ah! You give mommy betros? Sometimes he does, you guys, but then sometimes like he tricks you and then he's like, ah. But whatever. So yes, so today is more like cleaning day, chill day. And yeah, I don't know. I definitely need to clean the stove top and the oven, because the last time Alfredo used the oven, it started smoking up. So I was like, damn, it's pretty dirty. So yeah, gotta do that. And then I also need to make a Target run, you guys, because we are low on diapers. I need to stock up on diapers, wipies, and I have to get vitamins also. So yes, let's get to it.